Hello guys, welcome to back my channel. In this video, we will learn Class 5th EVS book Looking Around. Our first chapter is Super Senses. So today we will learn Super Senses. So let's start. First, we know that outcome of the lesson. Sense organs are windows to the outside world. Second, animals have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Third, arch ants move. They leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. Fifth, dogs can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty, means littering. Sixth, same smell can be good or bad depending on how one thinks about it. Seventh, most of the birds have fixed eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes cannot move, so birds have to turn their heads to see around. Eighth, animals cannot see as many colors as we can. Ninth, different animals hear in different ways. There is some link between size of animals' ears and their hearing. Ninth, animals have their own special language to communicate with each other. 11th, different animals have different sleeping time. 12th, people who kill animals are called hunters or poachers. 13th, many animals are killed for their body parts. 14th, animals that would soon become extinct are called endangered animals. Tiger is one of the most endangered animals as its population is decreasing at a very fast rate. Fill in the blanks. Some animals can hear even the faintest sound. Ants leave some smell on the ground. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell, which is written here. Next page. Dogs can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or putty. Birds move their neck very often. Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. There is link between the size of the animal's ears and their hearing. Snakes can feel the vibrations on the ground. Animals have their own language to communicate. Tiger is one of the most endangered animals. B number. Give the name of an animal that takes away your food if you are eating in an open ground. Eagle. That can find its female by her smell. Male insects. That turns its head to see around. Birds. That can see 4 times as far as we can. Kites, eagle and vultures. that can feel the vibrations on the ground. Snake that can warn about a danger by giving a warning call. Birds langur that makes different sounds to give messages to each other. Dolphins that sleeps in the cold season. Snakes that is killed for its talks. Elephant that is killed for its skin. Crocodile that looks like a bear and spends 17 hours of a day sleeping. Sloth. Next page. Question number C. Answer these tiger questions. What helps a tiger to move in the dark? Answer. Tiger's whiskers helps a tiger in the dark. Second, how can a tiger know if there is another tiger in its area? A tiger can know if there is another tiger in its area by its smell of the urine. A tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp. Give reasons to support this statement. Answer. It can make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and the sound of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tiger can move in different directions, and this helps to catch the sound from all around. Next question. Question number D. Make a smile on the correct statement and a sad on an incorrect statement. First, if you throw some sugar on the ground, the ants will never come there. Sad. Next is, mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. Smile. Next is, animals that are awake at night and see things only in black and white. Smile. Next is, some birds make different sounds for different kinds of dangers. Smile. Next is, a python sleeps for 3 hours in a day. Sad. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Smile. It is very easy to kill animals in a national park. Wrong means sad. Next is, tiger is an endangered animal. Smile. Next is, animals can sense the coming of a storm or earthquake. Smile. Next page. Next question is E number. What are sense organs? Name the 5 sense organs in man and explain the functions of each. Draw the pictures in the boxes. First we know that what is sense organs. The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and feel. Eye for seeing all around. Ear for hearing. Nose for smelling. Tongue for tasting. And skin for feeling. Question number F. Answer the following questions briefly. Why do dogs urinate on the road? Answer. Dogs urinate on the road because to mark out their own area on the road. Question number 2. Birds move their neck very often because birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Next question is, why do birds have eyes on either sides of their head? Answer. Birds have eyes on either sides of their head to focus on two different things at a time. Next question. Question number 4. How do snakes hear although they do not have external ears? Answer. Although snakes don't have external ears, they hear by feeling the vibrations on the ground. Question number 5. Why are lizards not seen during winters? Answer. Lizards are not seen during winters because they go into a long, deep sleep in certain winters. So they are not seen for months. Next page. Question number 6. Define sense organs. Answer. Eye for see, ear for hear, nose for smell, tongue for taste, skin for feel. Next question. What are endangered animals? Animals that would soon become extinct are called endangered animals. Next question. Yes. Next question. Are human beings a threat to tigers? Give reasons to support your answer. Yes. Human beings a threat to tigers. They killed them and sold their parts. Which part? Skins. So, the number of tigers in our country is reducing. टाइगर के स्किन को वो बेच देते हैं. कौन? हंटर्स एंड पोचर्स. इसीलिए टाइगर्स के जो नंबर हैं वो डिक्रीजिंग कर रहे हैं और रिड्यूसिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर द फॉलोइंग एनिमल्स killed for? A. Elephants. Dogs. B. Tigers. Skin. C. Snakes. Skin. D. Rhinoceros. Horn. E. Musk deer. Scent. F. Crocodiles. Skin. Next question. Who are poachers? Answer. People who kills animals are called hunter and poachers. Question number G. Give reasons for dogs are used in the rescue operations by the police. Answer. It is because of dogs have advanced sense of smell and they can detect humans easily. Dogs स्मेल करके जान सकते हैं कि ह्यूमंस कौन सी दिशा में जा रहे हैं. इसलिए चोर और क्रिमिनल्स को पकड़ने के लिए डॉग्स को पुलिस यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बर्ड्स do not have a strong sense of hearing. Birds like eagle can spot a mouse in a field from high in the sky because of its sharp vision. Next question. Snakes do not have external ears. They cannot hear high frequency sounds, but they are not deaf. They can feel vibrations very well and may hear low frequency airborne sounds. Next question number 8. What steps has the government taken to protect wild animals? Answer. Our government has made some forests as protected areas. Some of them are Jim Corbett National Park and Ghana. In these areas, nobody can hurt animals. Jim Corbett National Park and Ghana, ये दोनों नेशनल पार्क्स हैं. Then next question. Write any 2 smells that you like. Flower, perfume. You dislike water, death and decaying things. Next question. Beyond the taste. Find out the names of 2 endangered animals. Tiger, rhinoceros. Extinct animals, sloth and dodo. Next question. Find out the names of 2 celebrities who have been accused of illegal activities like hunting and poaching. सोनाली वेंद्रे, साई अली खान. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम जाने चैप्टर 1 सुपर सेंसेस का ऑल क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स. तो अगले वीडियो में हम लेसन 2 ए स्नेक चार्मर स्टोरी करेंगे. तो गाइस, यदि आपको अच्छा लगे प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कीप सपोर्ट and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.